This is a little music box project that I built for my granddaughter. The idea is to load it with her favorite songs that she can play, and then also with a few special messages from the grandparents. The way it works is it's just basically four buttons that allow you to control the volume level, and one button that you can use to select to playback of the main songs and skip to the next or stop, and then another button to play one of the messages. So if I press the music button, it'll just play the songs, and it'll loop through them. I've got really short test audios you can hear, and then one longer one. And you can just press and hold to stop. And if you want to play one of the special messages, you can just press the little moon. It's intended to be kind of a good night message.
Message 5.
And it will randomly pick from the messages that are loaded on the SD card.
Message 4.
And that's really it. I mean, the other element that's kind of cool is I used a LED strip that is used both when it's just in the standby state. It'll sort of make it kind of breathe, have a breathing effect, you know, to where it lights up and then slowly dims and repeats. And then when it's playing, of course, it'll also flash according to the beat of the audio. And so, and since she's into unicorns, the design had to have a unicorn, and so I found a unicorn design on Thingiverse by Kaloth, which is a really nice unicorn. And I printed it at about a 6-inch height and created a base using Fusion 360. And all the electronics fit into the base. I hollowed out the unicorn head to accommodate a speaker that's inside the unicorn, and just used the proto board to build up the circuit. It's pretty much a Arduino Nano plus a off-the-shelf music player where you can insert an SD card with your music that you want to play, and really not much to it. And I've got all the details on my GitHub site on the Music Box project, including the links to the different parts and the STL files for the 3D printed parts, and of course the code that runs on the Arduino. So, you know, hopefully you like this and you want to make one for your granddaughter or kiddo, and have fun. Thanks.